equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth for any dust removal. First, make sure your Dyson SV22 is unplugged and turned off. Safety is paramount, so always double-check that the device is not connected to any power source. Next, locate the battery compartment on the back of the vacuum. You will see a small panel secured with screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. If you find this process a bit daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the panel off to expose the battery. You may notice some dust or debris inside the compartment. Use your clean cloth to wipe away any dirt, ensuring a clean environment for the new battery. Now, you will see the battery secured in place. There are usually 2 clips holding it down. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry these clips away from the battery. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage the surrounding components. With the clips released, you can now carefully pull the old battery out. Take a moment to compare the old battery with the new one to ensure they match in size and specifications. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Insert the new battery into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Once in place, push the clips back down to secure the battery. It's important to make sure everything is tightly fitted to avoid any issues later on. Now, replace the panel you removed earlier. Align it properly and secure it with the screws you set aside. Tighten them gently but firmly to ensure the panel is secure. If you have any doubts about the tightness, just remember, no calls, no travel, and we can assist you with our services. Finally, give your Dyson SV22 a quick cleanup on the outside to remove any fingerprints or dust. Once you're satisfied, plug the vacuum back in and allow it to charge fully before using it again. This ensures optimal performance from your new battery. If you need a quote before repair or any further assistance, don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help you keep your Dyson in excellent working condition, ensuring your home stays clean and tidy with minimal hassle. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.